A military jury has struck down the most serious charges against the first of 8 soldiers on trial for the death of the Chinese-American soldier Danny Chen. CCTV's Jessica Stone has been following the case since charges were first brought in February. She joins us now live from Fort Bragg, North Carolina, with the very latest.
Private Danny Chen's parents have spent 6 days in the Fort Bragg courthouse seeking justice in their son's death. Chen took his own life October 3, 2011, after 6 weeks of being allegedly mistreated, assaulted, and hazed by his superiors. On Monday, a military jury ruled that Sergeant Adam Holcomb was guilty of assaulting and mistreating Private Chen, but the jury did not rule that those actions led to his death. Chen family supporters are outraged.
There is no place for a leader in this army who has shown his disdain and his hate for Asian Americans to be serving in the U.S. military.
When Private Danny Chen arrived in Afghanistan last August, it is clear that he was unprepared for battle. According to court testimony, he was a new soldier, making new soldier mistakes in one of the most dangerous parts of the fight. His superiors saw him as weak. Discipline devolved into abuse. Army prosecutors argued Holcomb was a racist and a poor leader who tormented instead of taught. In late September, he pulled Danny off the top bunk, dragging him more than 36 meters across rocky ground. That incident resulted in assault charges. During his sentencing hearing, Holcomb blamed trauma from previous deployments, telling jurors, quote, "I know I messed up by putting my hands on a soldier, and I know that's not the right thing to do." Holcomb's attorneys say Danny was mentally and physically weak and depressed over being disowned by his parents after he joined the military. They say that's why he committed suicide. The Chens dispute that. In an exclusive interview with CCTV before the trial, the Chens told us there is only one way justice can be served.
Convict those people who committed the crime, so I feel that my son could rest at peace. Even if he died, he could rest at peace.
Now, the jury's finding, of course, is not the end of the road for Holcomb. There is a top general in charge of the 18th Airborne Corps. He at Fort Bragg, he will review the jury's findings and make his own final ruling. That could take up to 6 months.